Welcome to this video. I have 3 goals that I want to share with you during this autumn season, and I wrote them down here in a little notebook. The first one is our anniversary date weekend. Spencer and I are going to be celebrating our first year of marriage, so I'm super excited for that. The next one is an Animal Crossing home decor piece that I saw while I was playing the game, so I was really inspired and I want to make that for our home. And the third piece is I'd love to knit a cardigan during the season. So yeah, let's get to it. Welcome to my Animal Crossing island. So Animal Crossing feels like a forever game that you can just play anytime of season, anytime you feel. I really love the island that Spencer and I created. We called it Emerald because we're both born in May. And I'm just gonna walk over to the store where I saw the piece of home decor that I want to copy. In here, Nook's Cranny. Ah, nice, Timmy. Okay, so look at this. Look at the wall. Isn't that just beautiful? I love it. I love it so much. I saw it and I was like, I want to put this in our home. It looks like it's like felt, but if you kind of like look there, it looks kind of like hand sewn on the corners. So the tricky part is going to be finding the felt that matches the color of like the green leaf and the mushroom and the red leaf, the pumpkin and the yellow leaf, and then it's just like a string. So yeah, I want to make that for our home.